Today we talk about how can you disable account update verification notifications on your eToro app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways and it's going to work with you. All you have to do, you just go here above this sign, click on it. Then it's going to show for you a list like this. Then all you have to do now, just click here on settings. So then it's going to take you to next here. It's going to show for you like this here. You click here on notifications. Then it's going to take you to next here. You click here on account details here. So then it's going to take you to this list. Just come here to account verification updates. Click in this sign or this color. Like you see color, it's gone. That's mean account verification updates disabled with us now. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.